I stand for election.
Hi, I'm Lewis, the President of Aberystwyth. I ran for my position in 2015 to try and bring positive change to the Aberystwyth Student Union, and through all the experiences I've had here, I've allowed myself a platform to find a future career path.
Hi, I'm Lauren and I'm an Education Officer. After 3 years as a rep, I stood in 2015 to make a difference to your educational experience.
Hello, I'm Hannah and I'm UMCA President and Welsh Affairs Officer. I ran to be in this position because UMCA played such a big part in my time as a student, and I wanted to give something back to the union.
Hi, my name's Ian. I'm the Welfare Officer. I stood for election in 2015 to improve kind of student provisions and accessibility, and if you look at it, it's going to be something that you're not going to see again, so that's it.
Hi, I'm Kelly and I ran to be your Activities Officer in 2015. Being Activities Officer is a great way to help shape the way the sports and societies are run in the Student Union. After all, we all know that sports and societies are really what makes your student life great.
Your officers.
I would recommend running for elections to give yourself a fantastic opportunity of working with such great people in the Students' Union. It's a great way of enhancing your CV and opening up a world of opportunities for any future prospects. It's also good to get to know people around the country within Wales and the United Kingdom which share common interests, and how you can take the best knowledge from other student unions and apply it here in Aberystwyth.
I would recommend standing for the Student Union elections because this is probably the only time in your life you'll ever be able to take up one of these positions. It's a lot of fun, and why wouldn't you want to stay in Aber for another year?
So it's a once in a lifetime opportunity. You get to have experiences that will help you in the future, such as sitting on university committees, being a trustee of the union. All these things are bound to help you in the future. Also, it's a chance to give something back to the union. I'm sure many of you, the union played a vital part in your time as a university student, and it's a chance to give something back.
You should stand in the SU elections if you want to make a positive change to the Aber experience.
I'd recommend it, to be fair. It's not going to be something that you're going to come across in the next 10, 15, 20 years unless you're running for Prime Minister. So it's kind of one of those things. But it's just a different experience. You meet a variety of people. Some people that you may have not met before in your position or the other positions that you're going to be running up against. And just go for it. That's all I'm going to say.
Throughout the year I've been working on many projects with the help of university staff members. One of the ones I'm most proud of is the fact there are now a lot more plug sockets appearing in the library and study spaces. You might also have noticed that the library is now become 24 hours, and within the next few months there will also be more power sockets for you to study with. We've also been looking at improving study space in town. With the help of the university, this looks to be very achievable in the next few months.
This year, in Activities, we've organised the first ever Activities Week, which for the first time included societies as well as sports clubs. We're currently working towards varsity, both societies and sports clubs, and organising super teams. We've been involved in changing the official union kit, which is something you could help to be involved in for the next few years. And we made some notice boards upstairs which helps to celebrate what you do in your society.
So it's quite a challenging time for UMCA with the uncertainty on the future of Pantycelyn, but I, as UMCA President and with my committee, have secured a long-term future for the Horsey residents, which is a big win for us, and the plans are happening right now. I've set up a sort of board for UMCA to make sure that we run efficiently and to make sure that there is consistency each year. I've also organised a calendar of events for UMCA members. So we had a successful Rungol dance. Every student has gone fine with Glow Vest, and we're looking forward to the Steddfod Rungol, which is happening next month. and to all the events next term.
This year, I've been involved in the launch of the Tell Us Now campaign. I've fought for a 24-hour library and extended opening hours on Clonmadon Library. I've also run my own campaigns based on feedback, Blackboard and personal tutors.
As an Aberdeen SU officer, the things that I've achieved so far is having more support over in Clonmadon, having a student nurse come here on a Friday, and hopefully towards the end of 2016 or the start of 2017, we'll see the student support website become more accessible for you.
Throughout my year as an SU officer here in Aberystwyth, I've learned that there's a lot more to the job than you first realise. But each and every aspect of the role has helped me to develop myself as an individual and to enhance my CV, and it'll make me stand out to any future employers.
Being in this role has taught me a lot of different things. I've learned to be a lot more patient, I've learned a lot of organisational skills, a lot of planning, and also learned a lot in meetings with university staff, with vice-chancellors, and kind of how to be in that professional environment.
So being in this job has taught me how to be patient, and because of this you learn how to be professional, especially when we sit on university committees. It's also taught me to keep at the jobs I'm doing, because some days, weeks or months can be very challenging, but you will get there in the end, especially when you're working to time limits, when you're organising big events, etc. You have to get things done. It's also taught me how to work independently better, especially when I'm in Pantycelyn on my own, but you get the work done. It's also taught me how to work better as a team. In the end, all 5 full-time officers are working towards the same thing, to make a better union for every single student in Aberystwyth. So working together is vital for that.
Because the role is quite challenging, I've learned to be more confident as a person.
My time here, it's quite varied, to be fair. It's kind of a roller coaster of a path, but an enjoyable one at that. The things that I've learned is I've adapted my communication skills, improved my organisation skills, and developed my level of analysis.
Nominate now!